Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to use a jump frog lure. First, select a lure that matches the size of local baitfish, typically between 2 and 3 inches long. Ensure your fishing rod has a medium-heavy action and is spooled with at least 30-pound braided line for strength and sensitivity. This setup provides the best control and power for working the lure effectively. Once your setup is ready, cast the jump frog lure precisely into areas with dense cover, like lily pads or submerged logs. After the lure lands, let it rest for a few seconds to simulate a frog falling into the water. Then, begin your retrieve with short, sharp twitches of your rod tip, making the lure jump and walk across the surface. Vary your cadence to find what triggers a strike. Focus your efforts on prime ambush points where predatory fish hide, such as thick vegetation or shaded areas. Experiment with different retrieval speeds. Sometimes a slow, deliberate retrieve works best, while other times a faster, more erratic action is key. Always keep a slight tension on your line. This allows you to feel even the most subtle takes and react quickly when a fish strikes. When a fish strikes, resist the urge to set the hook immediately. Instead, wait 1 or 2 seconds, allowing the fish to fully engulf the lure. Then, execute a powerful, upward sweep of your rod to ensure a solid hook set. Once hooked, maintain constant pressure on the fish, keeping your rod tip high and steadily reel it in. This technique minimizes the chance of the fish throwing the hook.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.